This is lesson 16-5, elapsed time. Our essential question, how can you find how much time passes between two events? There's no vocab for this lesson. So example number 1, we're trying to find out the elapsed time, how much time has passed. So we're starting at 6:02 p.m. and we're ending at 9:17 p.m. So here's how I like to count. So we're starting at 6:02 and then we go to 7:02. That's 1 hour. And then 8:02 is another hour. And then 9:02 is another hour. So I'm just counting up each hour. 6:02, 7:02, 8:02, 9:02. Now I can't go to 10:02 because I have to stop at 9:17. That would be way too far. So now I just need to count the minutes from 9:02 to 9:17. So I'm just going to count up 9:02, 9:03, 9:04, 9:05, 9:06, 9:07, 9:08, 9:09, 9:10, 9:11, 9:12, 9:13, 9:14, 9:15, 9:16, and 9:17. So now we can count up how much time we have altogether. So we had 3 hours, because I have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And now let's count up our minutes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes. So the time that passed was 3 hours and 15 minutes. Example number 2, they've given us the start time, which is 12:25 p.m. They said 3 hours and 51 minutes have passed. What time did it end? So I'm going to start at 12:25. And I know that the amount of hours that went by were 3 hours. So I'm going to count up 3 hours. So 12:25 p.m., 1:25 is 1 hour, 2:25 is another hour, and 3:25 is another hour. So there's my 3 hours. And now I need to also add on 51 minutes. So I'm going to do this by counting by tens. I think that's easier. So I'm going to start from 3:25 and count tens until I get 50 tens. So 3:35, 3:45, and I'm going to continue up here. 3:55. Now I can't go to 3:65. There's no such thing as that. It would then go to 4:05, 4:15, and there's my 50 minutes because I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I just need 1 more minute. So 4:16, 4:16. I just added on one more minute. So it ends at 4:16 p.m. Example number 3. Boston is 3 hours ahead of LA. If it's 11:45 a.m. in Boston, what time is it in LA? So Boston is 11:45 a.m. And they are 3 hours ahead of LA. So that means LA is 3 hours behind Boston. So to find LA's time, we're going to be counting back 3 hours. So if we have 11:45, we count back an hour, it would be 10:45. Count back another hour would be 9:45. And count back one more hour, it would be 8:45. And that would give us our 3-hour difference. So it would be 8:45 in LA. Okay, here are your 3 practice problems. Don't forget a word problem or a question, and rate your understanding.